Now let's go through the solutions to yesterday's homework. So with question 1, we were given a triangle that were shown here, one side indicated, and it's three very straightforward questions. What's the longest side in the given triangle? And that is the side BC. They didn't ask us for the length of it, but it is 7 centimeters, and that's because it's across from the biggest angle, which is the shortest side, the one across from the smallest angle, so AC. And finally, explain why BA plus AC is greater than BC, greater than this one here. And that's because of the triangle inequality. By the triangle inequality, and we'll give the full statement of this, any two sides added together are always longer than the third side. And that's it. Okay, that's all we needed to say there. Question 2 then. In this triangle here, XYZ, we're given two lengths, and say if each of the following could be true. Could XZ, this one here, could it be 2 centimeters? Well, if it was 2 centimeters, what we have to check is if the triangle inequality would be true. 7 and 10 would be bigger than 2, so that's good. 10 and 2 would be bigger than 7, so that's good. But 7 and 2 is not bigger than 10, so no. Because 7 plus 2 is less than 10, and that breaks the triangle inequality. So you can never make a triangle with sides of 7 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 2 centimeters. That's what it's saying. Could it be 6 centimeters? Well, we check our triangle inequality. 7 and 6 is bigger than 10, so that's good. 7 and 10 is bigger than 6, okay. And 6 and 10 is bigger than 7. So yes, it could. So the triangle inequality holds if it's 6 centimeters. And finally, could it be 18 centimeters? Well, again, 18 and 10 is bigger than 7. 7 and 18 is bigger than 10, but 7 and 10 is not bigger than 18. So that would break the triangle inequality because 7 and 10, those two sides, would not be bigger than the third side in that case. So those questions were on the triangle inequality, which we had done a few days ago. Next question then, question 4. We have 3 parallel lines, A, B, and C, and we have P, Q, and R, 3 transversals, such that DE, this length here, is the same length as EF. So now we know the other transversals here. This must be the same length as this, and these guys must be the same length as each other as well. They tell us then that GH is 8 centimeters. So GH is 8 centimeters, which means HI is also 8 centimeters. And they also tell me that GJ, this distance here, is 7 centimeters, which means that this is 7 centimeters as well. And they want us to find HI, well, we've just written it down there, 8 centimeters, and GJ, oh, JK is what they told us. Okay, and GJ is 7 centimeters. Okay. Now, in this next diagram here, guys, I need to pause this for a second and I'll upload the rest of the homework in a separate video.